Thank you to Cook Unity for sponsoring. More on them later.
O come, Emmanuel, and ransom.
Join me for a relaxing Christmas leisure and rest vlog here on the Daily Connoisseur.
That mourns in lonely exile here until the Son of God appear.
Hello friends and welcome back. I'm doing an ethereal holiday makeup routine this morning. Slightly glittery, slightly luminous, otherworldly is what I'm going for. I love getting ready in the morning. I don't always do a full makeup routine. Actually, most days I barely wear makeup. Either way, I enjoy getting ready.
Thou rod of Jesse, free thine own from Satan's tyranny.
When I do put makeup on, I really get into the creative process of it.
And give them victory o'er the grave. Rejoice.
It's a bit like painting a mini picture. I love choosing the colors for the day. Contouring, shading. I do love wearing and playing with my makeup.
Israel. Spring come and cheer our spirits by.
In the winter months, I either go with a darker smoky eye or ethereal eyeshadow, which is what I'm going for today.
Clouds of night and their dark shadows put to flight.
I'll link everything I'm using down below. This is the final result, and I must say I am feeling merry and bright. Today I'm wearing my red wool crew neck sweater from Lily Silk, my Franny Goldie trousers, and my beautiful strand of pearls from Gingy Berry. I've been learning to play chess, as you know, and I know I'm a little late to the game, but it's never too late to learn. Ben and I are playing a few games in a row here. I'm learning strategy, so I'm still making big mistakes. I've always wanted to play chess, but I've always told myself that I was too busy. But what better time than the Christmas season to set aside time for a few games? Our children all like to play too. My son is getting really good. Speaking of busy days, I'm going to take a minute to tell you about Cook Unity, who have kindly sponsored today's video. I love cooking this time of the year, but I also love not cooking and taking a break, spending some time to relax. Do you know what I mean? Cook Unity is the first chef-to-you meal delivery service. Each week, award-winning chefs craft hundreds of globally inspired meals that are seriously delicious. Meals are delivered fresh, never frozen. Here's how it works. Set your preferences by telling them what you like and don't like and pick a meal plan. Get as few as 4 or as much as 16 meals a week. They offer a wide range of meals with over 7 different dietary preference filters, including vegan, paleo, and gluten-free options. Meals arrive fresh, not frozen, via courier or shipment in compostable, recyclable, or reusable packaging with expiration dates, chef's heating instructions, and nutrition information. These are some of the delicious meals I chose this time. Lemon butter roasted salmon, creamy miso udon noodles with salmon, and grilled chicken with truffle risotto. This last meal was made by Chef Ruben Garcia, who has worked in restaurants all around New York City for the past 10 years. He now specializes mainly in catering and brings top-notch food to Cook Unity. Another great thing about Cook Unity is the flexibility of their subscription. You can pause, skip weeks, or cancel at any time. Go to cookunity.com/connoisseur or click the link in the description and use my code Connoisseur50 to get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals to try them out for yourself. Another way I've been leaning into rest is through playing the piano. I love playing Christmas carols. I usually start practicing them in October, and much like immersing myself in a game such as chess, playing the piano is another wonderful way to tune out the busy world and enter a whole new realm. I mix my practice up with easy favorites and harder selections. I always marvel at the instrument itself. Aren't pianos amazing? I got curious about the first piano, so of course I looked into it. We have a Yamaha, and here's what their website had to say. The piano was invented by Bartolomeo Cristofori, who lived from 1655 to 1731 of Italy. Cristofori basically transformed the harpsichord into the piano by switching out the plucking mechanism with a hammer. The instrument was actually first named clavicembalo col piano e forte, literally meaning a harpsichord that can play soft and loud noises. This was shortened, of course, to the common name piano. Either way, playing the piano, especially during the Christmas season, is such a complete joy. I've been writing a lot of poetry lately. I stopped for a while, but it has all come back to me, much like the tide returns to the sea. I've been writing poems, but not only that. We've been working on a few special projects with my poems behind the scenes, projects that you'll see next week, my Christmas gift to you. Here's a little sneak peek of what's to come. Normally I slay my dragons, but this one is different somehow. I take out 10 or 12 a day without breaking sweat on my brow. Before I went to sleep last night, I prayed for interesting dreams. These visions did not disappoint. For nothing is as it seems. I hope you'll tune in for both of these poems. Writing poetry brings me joy, and I want to share that joy with you. Finally, I'm going to share an absolutely delicious make-ahead breakfast that would be perfect for Christmas morning. It's my coconut breakfast rice pudding. Oh yes, it is as good as it sounds. Begin by putting 2.5 to 3 cups of cooked rice in a large bowl. To that, you're going to add 1 cup of whole milk, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 can of drained peaches, and 1 cup of blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. Mix this all together and set it aside. In a separate bowl, create the crumble with some brown sugar, old-fashioned oats, shredded coconut, chopped pecans, and melted butter. Mix this all together. In a greased casserole dish, pour the rice mixture in and spread it evenly. Then sprinkle the crumble mixture on top. Bake this at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. You can sprinkle some extra coconut on top and top with a dash of milk or cream if desired. This is such a delicious rice pudding. You could substitute blueberries for frozen cherries, mango, whatever you fancy. Really, it's delightful. If you wanted to make this ahead of time, prepare the rice mixture and then in the morning just assemble the topping and bake it. This morning, I'm enjoying it in my pajamas with a cup of English breakfast tea and Agatha Christie's Hercule Poirot's Christmas. Talk about a leisurely morning. I hope you enjoyed today's video and feel rested after watching it. Thank you to Cook Unity for sponsoring. Go to cookunity.com/connoisseur or click the link in the description and use my code Connoisseur50 to get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals to try them out for yourself. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.